13 signs of hormonal imbalance in women, and how to fix them naturally. Do you feel like something's off in your body, but your lab tests all come back normal? Maybe you're always tired, your moods are all over the place, or your skin and weight seem to change without reason, and no one can tell you why. What if your body is quietly screaming for help through signs you've been trained to ignore? In this video, I'll walk you through 13 hidden signs of hormonal imbalance in women, and more importantly, how to fix them naturally. No risky medications, no crash diets, real science-backed strategies at work. And if you stick around till the end, I'll show you what's really causing all of this and how to get your body back in sync from the inside out. 1. Breakouts that keep coming back. Still dealing with adult acne or those stubborn whiteheads, especially around the jawline? That's not just bad skin. It's your hormones trying to tell you something. When insulin and androgens spike, they trigger your skin's oil glands to go into overdrive. The result? Clogged pores, inflammation, and those frustrating breakouts. You can help your body reset by cutting out refined sugars and white carbs, and supporting insulin balance with Berberine. Zinc and omega-3s also play a powerful role in calming inflammation and speeding up skin repair. 2. Random heat surges. Ever feel a sudden wave of heat sweep through your chest, neck, or face? Almost like you're blushing, but with a racing heart? That's likely a hot flash. And it usually means your estrogen is dropping, which throws off your body's internal thermostat. To cool things down naturally, evening primrose oil is a game changer. And herbal allies like sage and black cohosh can help too. Just skip the caffeine and wine. They're notorious for making hot flashes worse. 3. Mind racing at night. You're exhausted, but the moment your head hits the pillow, your brain goes into overdrive. Sound familiar? High cortisol, your stress hormone, could be the culprit. When it's stuck on high alert, your body can't shift into rest mode. Magnesium L-threonate and vitamin B1 from nutritional yeast are great tools to calm the nervous system. And don't underestimate the power of turning off screens and dimming the lights an hour before bed. 4. Your periods are all over the place. Missed a period here, early one there, maybe they come closer together, or vanish for a month and return out of nowhere. That's your estrogen and progesterone getting out of sync. To gently support hormone balance, chasteberry, vitex, and dim are 2 natural allies. Combine that with low-carb or keto-style diet, and you'll be giving your hormones the environment they need to stabilize. 5. Hair thinning from the crown. Is your hairbrush filling up faster than usual, especially at the top of your head? High DHT levels, a powerful androgen, can shrink hair follicles, and cortisol spikes can make it worse, especially after childbirth, trauma, or illness. To encourage regrowth, zinc glycinate, selenium, and rosemary oil massage into the scalp are a great place to start. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, I'd truly appreciate it if you could hit the like button, share with a friend, or drop a quick comment below. It really helps this channel grow and reach more people. Now let's continue. 6. Craving sweets after meals. You just ate dinner. You're full, but you still want dessert. Why? Insulin resistance is often the hidden reason. When your cells stop responding to insulin, your body keeps sending hunger signals, especially for sugar. Intermittent fasting, Berberine, chromium, and cutting down on hidden sugars can help turn this around and reduce those energy crashes too. 7. No libido. Loss of interest in sex or painful dryness isn't just part of getting older. It's a hormone issue. Low testosterone or estrogen can both drain your desire and affect natural lubrication. Maca root, ginseng, and regular movement can help bring libido back naturally. And simple additions like flax seeds or estrogen-supportive foods can make a difference. 8. Sore, swollen breasts before your cycle. If your breast feels sore or heavy before your period, this could point to estrogen dominance. When estrogen outweighs progesterone, cruciferous veggies like broccoli, kale, and cauliflower help your body clear excess estrogen. Add in zinc, iodine-rich seafoods, and mineral water, and reduce plastic exposure while you're at it. 9. Facial hair you didn't ask for. Hair on the chin, above the lip, or even chest. This is a red flag. High androgens, especially in PCOS, are often to blame, and they usually stem from insulin resistance. Cutting refined carbs, drinking spearmint tea, and supplementing with inositol can all help bring balance back. 10. Skin tags showing up in skin folds. Soft little bumps on your neck, armpits, or inner thighs. They're often a sign of high insulin, not just a cosmetic issue. These signals usually appear before prediabetes sets in. So now's the time to act. Lower carbs, fast intermittently, and use berberine and apple cider vinegar to support blood sugar control. 11. Getting sick way too often. If every little cold knocks you down, or recovery seems painfully slow, you might be low in vitamin D. This nutrient acts more like a hormone and powers your immune response. Daily sun exposure, 10 to 15 minutes without sunscreen, helps. Or take 10,000 IU of D3 daily with K2 for better absorption and effect. 12. Your eyebrows are thinning, losing the tail end of your brows. That's a classic sign of hypothyroidism. An underactive thyroid needs support, not just from iodine and selenium, but from a healthy liver to help convert thyroid hormones. If this resonates, it's worth getting your TSH, T3, and T4 tested. 13. Brain fog or memory slips. Can't focus? Losing your train of thought more often? Struggling to remember names? Hormonal changes, especially in estrogen, cortisol, and thyroid hormones, can directly affect how sharp your brain feels. MCT oil is a powerful brain fuel, especially during hormonal shifts. And deep, uninterrupted sleep in a dark, cool room, that's your best free therapy. So, what's causing all this? Here's the part no one talks about. The root of many hormone problems isn't your body, it's your environment. Pesticides and synthetic hormones in food, plastic containers and chemical-laden makeup, birth control and synthetic tampons, chronic stress, poor sleep, and missing minerals. All of this adds up and disrupts the delicate balance your body is trying so hard to maintain. How to balance hormones naturally. 1. Evening primrose oil. Take a daily supplement of 2,000 milligrams of evening primrose oil. Always check the label to make sure it provides at least 80 milligrams of GLA, gamma-linolenic acid, per dose. This essential fatty acid is one of the best natural remedies to support hormonal balance in women and to promote healthy skin, hair, and nails. 2. Intermittent fasting. Try eating all your meals within an 8-hour window each day, and stick to water outside of that. This simple change gives your endocrine system time to reset, reduces insulin spikes, and helps reverse issues like metabolic syndrome, a major root cause of hormone disruption. 3. Daily exercise. Daily movement is a must, especially if you have signs of estrogen dominance. Exercise helps your liver flush out hormone-disrupting toxins and improve circulation, which supports every gland in your body. For berberine and cinnamon, balancing hormones often starts with balancing blood sugar. Use berberine supplements and add cinnamon to your meals. Together, they help your pancreas become more insulin sensitive, reducing the hormonal chaos triggered by insulin resistance. 5. Go organic. Try to limit or avoid conventionally sprayed foods. Pesticides act like hormone disruptors in your body. Switch to organic produce when possible. Also, consider organic cotton tampons and sanitary products to avoid chemical exposure through the skin. 6. Trace minerals. Hormone health relies on minerals like zinc, selenium, and chromium. Start by adding Celtic sea salt to your meals. Eat more foods like nutritional yeast, seaweed, shellfish, avocado, pumpkin seeds, and Brazil nuts to support hormone production and detox. 7. Low-carb diet. Following a low-carb diet like keto can reduce fat buildup in the liver, allowing to better process and balance hormones like estrogen, cortisol, and insulin. You can also take a daily dose of 10,000 IU of vitamin D3 with 100 micrograms of vitamin K2 to reduce inflammation in your hormone-producing glands. 8. Healthy fats. Your body needs cholesterol and saturated fats to create hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Avoid inflammatory seed oils and instead choose grass-fed butter, ghee, raw coconut oil, and oily fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. 9. Improve sleep. Getting even 1 extra hour of sleep each night can significantly lower cortisol and reset your hormonal rhythm. At night, turn off screens, block all light, and cool your room slightly. This helps boost melatonin and supports the hypothalamus and pituitary glands, the two main command centers of your hormone system. Your hormones aren't out to get you. They're out of sync because something's been interfering. But when you give your body the right tools, balance is possible. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for weekly science-backed strategies to age with strength, vitality, and grace.